We all have them days where you just don't feel like doing anything, when you're just not mentally there, you know what I mean? When you just feel burnt out. Alright, so I'm gonna give you some tips about that, you know? Long days happen. It could happen today, it could happen tomorrow. So tip number one is be easy on yourself. It's so easy not to be easy on yourself when you're feeling so bad about yourself, you know what I mean? Maybe you should be doing this work, maybe you should be more productive today, but you're feeling down, whether it be mental, physical, emotional, you know what I mean? So if you feel that way, take that day off, take some time off. Maybe you just need to recover to build back better. That's how it is. You know, you go through this experience, and next time you'll approach this experience with another method, you know? That's how it is. Through experience, you can only get better. Number two, breathe, meditate, you know? Give yourself affirmations, journal, put it down in your journal. Journaling's like so key. Like you can see all your thoughts just on paper, and it makes your thoughts clear, you know? You understand your thoughts more, and you can create action steps onto how to react in a situation for the next time you're actually in that situation, if you know what I mean. So for example, you might be facing like a stressful situation. What are you gonna do? Oh, maybe I'm gonna meditate. Maybe I'm gonna say my personal mantra over and over again. Like, I got a personal mantra. I do it often, you know what I mean? Like sometimes I just sit there, just close my eyes and I just say my personal mantra. I don't know how many times, however many times I feel like I need to. You know, maybe 100 times. It's not that much when you think about it, you know? When I say breathing techniques, I mean deep breathing techniques. For example, you breathe in, hold it, and then breathe out. Something as simple as that, you know? It can be done anywhere, you know? Your muscles go from feeling tense to now feeling relaxed. Even your thoughts flow more clearly. So these could be done anywhere. Meditation doesn't need to be done on the floor. It don't need to be done in your room, you know? You can do it anywhere. Just close your eyes and just think of your mantra. Or just breathe in and then just hold it and then breathe out. It could be done anywhere. On the bus, outside, anywhere. Number three, go for a walk, exercise. You'd be surprised at how much going for a walk actually helps you. You know, you forget all about your stress. Number three, go for a walk, exercise. You'd be surprised at how much going for a walk actually helps you. You forget all about your stresses, but you focus on nature and your surroundings, you know what I mean? Leave your headphones at home, forget about that, you know? Just become one with nature type of thing. Watch the animals, go outside, you know, just pay attention to nature. Forget about everything. And then later on, you can deal with your stresses and you can deal with your work life or whatever it is that's stressing you out or that's worrying you. And that's how it is. And exercise, when you exercise, if you try your best, eventually you'll get to a point where physically you can keep going. But the first thing that will give up on you is your thoughts. It will tell you to stop. Oh no, things are getting hard. Things are getting hard. Stop, stop, stop. Nah, that's when it's time to show up. That's when it's time to persevere. That's how it is. This mindset can be applied to real life. Things will get hard. Life's not easy, you know what I mean? Life's hard. So you need to be mentally there. You need to be mentally strong, you know? Apply this mindset to life and you'll be cool. You know, persevere through everything. Have that resilience to go through anything without any fear. Life's hard, you know? But we're tougher. We can be tougher. Mentally tougher. Number four, get your hobby that you actually enjoy, you know? If you get better at a hobby every day and you forget all about this stressful thing that's bothering you, you know, and you actually accomplish something, you feel like you've accomplished something. Why? Because you've accomplished something. You know, it sounds easy, it sounds basic, it sounds easy to comprehend, but sometimes you forget about that. You forget about the easy things, you forget about the small things. So if you get better at a hobby, say you play a guitar, tomorrow you could be as big as Jimi Hendrix. If you get better at cooking, tomorrow you could be as big as Gordon Ramsay. If you get good at coding, tomorrow you could be as big as Bill Gates. You never know. If you're a good rapper, you could be as big as like 50 Cent, you know? That's how it is. Do something that makes you feel like you've accomplished something so that you feel better about yourself, so that you got more motivation to do other things as well. You know, if you're good at one area, you'll probably want to, you know, expand your knowledge into another area. Number five, seek support. It don't need to be in the form of a therapist, but family and friends. You know, go outside with your family and friends. You know, if you need someone to vent to, vent to them. Vent to them and tell them what's going on in life. What you got to remember is that we all struggle, and maybe a family member or a friend could help you. Go outside, go watch a movie, or go play some bowling, you know? Go play some golf or something. Do something together. Relax, you know that everything's gonna be alright. That's all the tips I have for you today. I hope that you actually implement them in your life. And thank you for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe and comment if you got any tips or if you got any feedback for me. I truly appreciate any feedback. But in the meantime, have a good day, have a good night, have a good afternoon, have a good evening, whatever it is. And yeah, man, peace, take care.